When we weigh the potential outcomes of artificial general intelligence, a strange trend appears. Whether these systems trigger a post-scarcity utopia or lead to human extinction, the immediate result is identical: a massive, unprecedented spike in economic growth. This creates the odd reality where a total catastrophe still looks like a win on a spreadsheet, a paradox that led to the joke about sending a strongly worded letter to the Financial Times. Public debate remains fixated on the raw speed of AI development. By focusing entirely on when these models arrive, we ignore the practical logistics of how they will actually function within our existing world. The tech industry, represented here by Google co-founder Sergey Brin, views advanced AI as a way to distribute elite reasoning and information to anyone with a data connection. Theoretical physicist Sabrina Pasterski sees a different outcome. From the academic perspective, the danger isn't the technology itself, but the way its deployment will restructure data ownership and university funding. Pasterski fears a future where tech monopolies absorb the data produced by universities to train their models, effectively privatizing the information that once belonged to the public. The central debate of our era is whether our current educational and economic systems possess the resilience to survive this rollout. For decades, elite knowledge was trapped behind a bottleneck. Learning a subject like quantum field theory required a student to schedule physical time with one of the few human experts on the planet. Modern large language models break that bottleneck. They provide on-demand, diverse instruction that fits into a student's daily routine, answering complex questions while they drive or work. This shift is powered by globally ubiquitous hardware. Smartphones costing under $100 now serve as the primary delivery mechanism for advanced reasoning. Brin describes this as having kings in our pockets. Every individual now carries immediate access to the world's best information and reasoning engines. To the tech industry, AI fulfills its purpose only when it scales to the average user. Its value is inherently tied to its accessibility. This optimism ignores the friction caused by the public's tendency to believe AI is highly capable before it actually is. If society devalues human education too early, we risk a generation of users who are overly reliant on flawed systems, people who find themselves unable to fix the broken code a chatbot generates for them. This reliance leads to a deeper economic threat. If proprietary chatbots eventually surpass the intelligence of academic researchers, the entire financial model of science begins to invert. Academic institutions currently produce the very data used to train these models. Yet the tech companies are the ones who own the resulting intelligence. We are witnessing a massive wealth transfer. Academic grant money is increasingly spent to buy access to the tools university data helped create. This diversion of funds starves the traditional academic pipeline, leaving fewer resources to train the next generation of human graduate students. For the scientific community, the imminent threat is the complete privatization of the infrastructure that makes human discovery possible. When we merge technological capability with academic reality, we see the rise of the automated grad student. An automated assistant removes the need for years of foundational mentorship and training. It can produce useful work immediately, performing calculations at a pace no human could match. While this automation handles the foundational work, it does not remove the need for a human expert to guide the process. The human mandate is shifting. Instead of executing complex calculations by hand, experts will focus on conceptualizing and designing ambitious physical experiments. This new scientific method carries a different price tag. Building the physical infrastructure will cost significantly more than the theoretical labor the AI replaced. In an era of superhuman reasoning, human value is defined by conceptual vision and the ability to secure the massive resources required to ask the most ambitious questions.